This is my son Gage West's project. It's a 1949 CJ2-A. He's 16 years old and he bought this on his own and wants to restore it. We took out all the seats, gas tanks. There's some metal work that needs to be done on the tub, but not dissimilar to what we had to do on our CJ5, the 73. We'll go down to the good metal when we paint. It's got a 327 V8 in it, small block Chevy. It's been sitting since 1978 in a guy's backyard. Gage took off the heads the other day. It looks like there's a couple rods that need to be changed, but we may have to rebuild the 327. But pretty impressive that a 16-year-old kid these days makes the effort to purchase it, pick it up, and bring it home and get it running. That's what we need more of these days. But all original. He primed the back tailgate the other day. Doesn't have a spare on it, but we'll get a spare. It rolls, so the transfer case goes into neutral. That's a good thing. Cool project. And I'll keep posting these videos as Gage does things and we do things and we get it running, and we hope you enjoy our journey with the CJ2-A. Once again, Gage is 16 years old and this is his project, and pretty impressed that he's putting forth the effort to do it. See you later.